Hi there, students. Had I known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. So this is an inversion with had, with this inversion replacing if. Had I known you were coming. If I had known you were coming, I would have baked a cake. Okay, we use this for third conditionals. Had I studied more at school, I would have got better results if I had studied. Had I seen the danger, I wouldn't have gone. Okay, so it's the beginning of a third conditional. If I had past participle, if I had done this, had I done this, I would have made a mistake. Okay, notice when you use it in the negative, you cannot contract the not. Had you not been there, I would have had great difficulty. You can't say hadn't. It must be had you not been there. Had I not arrived early, I would not have understood what it was about. Had you not helped me, I wouldn't have been able to do it. If you had not helped me, I wouldn't have been able to do it. So, what about formality? If I had known, had I known? I think the had I is a little bit more formal than if I had known. But I don't think there's a great difference. I'm certain I could use had I not known in a conversation, and if you're writing something formal and want to impress the examiners, I strongly suggest you use one of these if inversions, this had I plus a past participle. Notice you can also use this to make mixed conditionals. Had I got that job, I would be working now. Okay, so had I got the job, I would be working now. That's a mixed third and second conditional. So that's probably quite an impressive piece to put in your exam writing. Had he not studied harder, he wouldn't be so relaxed now. Had he not studied harder, he wouldn't be relaxed now. Again, a mixed third and second condition. So, had I known, you invert the subject and the auxiliary had and use a past participle. Had you known about my channel earlier, you would have started studying more efficiently a long time ago. So there you go, had in inversions. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Had inversions, where had replaces if.